With the Superkids Foundational Skills Kit, a host of fun and intuitive online resources help make teaching and learning foundational skills joyful and successful. Teachers access their online class roster, daily lessons, and instructional materials through myzbportal.com. They can even teach right from the portal using an interactive whiteboard and the daily lesson page. All of the online teaching resources for a day's lesson are linked from the lesson page. For example, projectable skills book pages and differentiated instruction activities. Students can help complete these interactive activities at the board. Digital versions of print teacher materials, plus all of the digital-only materials, are organized on the materials page. Here, teachers can project or print practice pages, play the fun and engaging Superkids character song animations, and much more. In the portal, teachers monitor students' progress with Superkids Online Fun, the online games app for students. Students can access Superkids Online Fun through myzbportal.com at school and at home. And it provides meaningful practice with foundational skills in a fun gaming environment that students love, alongside their friends, the Superkids. With stories and games featuring the Superkids characters, and these online resources for teachers and students, entire classrooms are discovering the joy in learning to read with the Superkids Foundational Skills Kit.